In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Start by locating Clock app and tapping on it. Then choose Alarm on the left at the top of this section. And before doing anything, most people miss that you should click on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings in the pop-up, and then manage all of those under Alarms however you want to. Go back, tap on this plus at the button on the right, and set up an hour to create new alarm. Hit OK at the bottom right corner of Select Time pop-up and adjust it however you want to. At the top you can name it and hit OK to save its name. You can pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to Pause Alarm to pick them and hit OK to save them. You can always click on Remove button next to your dates to delete them. If you want to add your alarm to Google Assistant routine, you can do that by clicking on plus next to this option and adjusting your Google Assistant routine. Now my favorite part, which is this bell icon. After you click on it, you can not only download Spotify or YouTube music to use your music from it, then click on the chosen one at the top and log in, but you can also hit Sounds, tap on Add New, and pick any song from your tablet by tapping on it here. If you don't want to do that too, just select one of those melodies by tapping on a perfect one, like Neon. Go back, and to change your hour, click on it. Make sure to adjust it and hit OK again. Now you can hide all of those options by clicking at the top right corner of your alarm. You can make them visible the same way. To turn it off completely, use this switcher next to it. And if it's gray, click on the same one to activate it. Last but not least, to get rid of any alarm, hit the Delete button at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!